not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. A very pleasant afternoon to respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Prize distribution is a special and most awaited event for our school. Students participate in various interesting activities and events in school which build up their confidence. Army Public School every year honor these stars who really shines throughout the academic year. This is the first time when our school is organizing online prize distribution due to pandemic. And now it is a time to appreciate the talent of our shining stars, to felicitate the prizes. Before starting the ceremony, we seek showers of blessings of Almighty God.
Annual prize giving is an important event in the school calendar of Army Public School. The primary aim of annual prize distribution ceremony is to activate the dormant creative potential of each child so that balanced development of the personality of students is possible. To achieve this objective, a number of prizes, medals and scholarships are awarded each year to the deserving students. Keeping in mind the importance of creative activities, sports and games, points are awarded on the basis of both scholastic and post-scholastic activities in the academic year. A student must fulfill certain minimum conditions to be eligible for the award of scholarship, medal or certificate. The prizes are Lieutenant Colonel Mukesh Chandra Sharma Shaurya Chakra Memorial Scholarship, Numero Uno Scholarship, Excellence in Academics, the Best All-Rounder, Special Prize in Sanskrit, Special Prize in the field of Visual and Performing Arts. In the beginning, we have Lieutenant Colonel Mukesh Chandra Sharma Shaurya Chakra Memorial Scholarship instituted by Ms. Kalyani Sharma in memory of her husband, late Lieutenant Colonel Mukesh Chandra Sharma. Is awarded to the pupil scoring highest points in scholastic and post-scholastic activities put together. The award is for the best all-rounder in middle and senior sections. The award carries a certificate and a cash prize of ₹1,000 each. Now I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Ms. Neena Mathur, to announce the name of the students for the same.
Excellence in Academics. Excellence in Academics certificate is awarded to the student who scores A1 grade in 6 main subjects for class 6 to 8 calculated in each section. Excellence in Academics certificate for the year 2019-20 are awarded to the following students: Khanat Bas is awarding certificate to her daughter Khanat Baswana. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Aditi Kumari, 6th B. Her mother, Mrs. Rani Kumari, is awarding Excellence in Academics certificate to her daughter Aditi Kumari. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Saurav Panwar, 6th C. He is also receiving Best All-Rounder Award in Class 6th category. This prize is awarded to the student securing highest points in scholastic and co-scholastic activities calculated for all sections of each ELCO from 6th to 8th. Mrs. Hema Panwar is awarding certificate to her son Saurabh Panwar. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Madhura Joshi, 6th D. Mrs. Sunaina Joshi is awarding Excellence in Academics certificate to her daughter Madhura Joshi. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Arohi, 6th E. Her mother, Mrs. Usha Devi, is awarding Excellence in Academics certificate to her daughter Arohi. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Pratibha Singh, 7th A. Mrs. Kalpana Singh is awarding Excellence in Academics certificate to her daughter Pratibha Singh. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Now I hand over further proceedings to Miss Ishna.
Thank you, ma'am. Excellence in Academic certificates in Class 7th ELCO are awarded to following students. Sara Siddiqui, 7th A. Mr. Mohammad Salman Siddiqui is awarding Excellence in Academic certificate daughter. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. Tanisha Nair, 7th A. She is also receiving Best All-Rounder. This prize is awarded to the student securing highest points in scholastic and co-scholastic activities calculated for all sections in each ELCO from class 6 to 8. Mrs. Bhavna Nair is awarding certificate to her daughter. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Ankita Behera, 7th D. Mrs. Lakshmi Rani Behera is awarding Excellence in Academics certificate to her daughter. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Archer Yadav, 7th D. Mrs. Sindhu Yadav is awarding Excellence in Academics certificate to her daughter. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Divya Chaudhary, 7th E. Mrs. Babita Devi is awarding Excellence in Academics certificate to her daughter. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Vedant Nagpal, 7G. Colonel Vishal Nagpal is awarding Excellence in Academics certificate to his son. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. Shivani Yadav, 8A. Mrs. Geeta Yadav is awarding Excellence in Academics certificate to her daughter. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Now I further pass on the proceedings.
Thank you, ma'am. Excellence in Academic certificate for year 2019-20 in class 8 ELCO are awarded to following students. Anshi Tiwari of class 8E. Mrs. Aradhana Tiwari is awarding certificate to her daughter. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Aniket Dikshit of class 8B. Mrs. Amita Dikshit is awarding certificate to her son. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Shikhar Gupta of class 8C. Along with Excellence in Academic certificate, he is also receiving special prize in art in the field of visual and performing art. Mrs. Sunita Gupta is awarding the certificate to Shikhar. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Yogita Palani of class 8D. Along with Excellence in Academic certificate, she is also receiving special prize in Sanskrit in class 8 category. Her mother, Lieutenant Colonel Shaila Palani, is doing the honor. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Pragya Singh of class 8D. Mrs. Babita Singh is awarding certificate to her daughter. Congratulations. Aarti of class 8th E. Mrs.
Numero Uno Scholarship. This scholarship is awarded to the pupils scoring highest percentage of marks in class 6 to 10 in all sections put together. The award carries a certificate and a cash prize of ₹500 each. Now I would request our Vice Principal Ma'am to announce the name of the student for the same.
Will request her mother, Dr. Sushma Baswana, to bestow the certificate to Helen. Congratulations, Helen. Congratulations, ma'am. The next one is Tanisha Nayan of class 7A. May I request the mother of Tanisha, Mrs. Bhavna Nayan, to give the certificate to her. Congratulations, ma'am. Next is Yogita Balani of class 8D.
Heartiest congratulations to our winning students and proud parents. I further pass on the proceedings.
Thank you, ma'am. Excellence in Academic Certificate for year 2019-20 in class 8 Dalko are awarded to following students. Chandan Tiwari of class 8E. Mrs. Pushpa Tiwari is awarding certificate to her son. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Devansh Singh of class 8E. Mrs. Shashi Singh is awarding certificate to her son. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, Devansh. Shivansh Yadav of class 8F. Mrs. Archana Yadav is awarding certificate to her son. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Priyanshi Singh of class 8F. Mrs. Neelam Singh is awarding certificate to her daughter. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Katyayani of class 8G. Lieutenant Colonel Shushmita Kumari is awarding certificate to her daughter. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Brijbhan Prajapati of class 8H. Mrs. Longa Devi is awarding certificate to her son. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to the all students.
Now the special prize in visual art and textile designing is awarded to Aryan Mishra 6F. His mother, Mrs. Suman Mishra, is awarding the certificate. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Special prize in visual art and dance is awarded to Avni of class 7th E. Her mother, Mrs. Revti, is awarding the certificate. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations.
Coming to special prizes in visual and performing arts, in Indian music, the prize is awarded to Yashwani Reddy of class 6G for her excellent performance. Mrs. Y. Lalita Reddy is awarding the certificate to her daughter. Heartiest congratulations, ma'am, and thank you. In Western music, the prize is awarded to Soumya of class 8D. Mrs. Kiran Lata is awarding the certificate to her daughter. Keep excelling, Soumya. Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations. Special prizes in ceramic and craft goes to Madhura Joshi of class 6D. Mrs. Sulaina Joshi is doing the honors. Congratulations, ma'am. Special prize in yoga as well as Western music is awarded to Hira of class 8B. Mrs. Lalita is awarding the certificate to her daughter. Good, very good, Hira. Thank you. Carpentry is awarded to Tanveer Kaur of class 8H. Mrs. Harjinder Kaur is doing the honors. Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations for it. In sculpture, the prize is awarded to Shaheen Khatun of class 7G. Mrs. Shamila Khatun is awarding the certificate to her daughter. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Now I would like to invite Principal Ma'am to address the meeting.
Extremely gratifying to see all of you with your parents. Thank you, dear parents, for giving your valuable time to us. The annual prize distribution is a very important event in our school calendar. And we really wanted to have it like we used to conduct it in the month of July. We wanted to once again conduct it on a very large scale. But the pandemic this year has spoiled all our plans. We were waiting that things would improve and we may be able to conduct. But then we realized that the situation is not improving and our children, our academic achievers need to be honored. So we took a decision that we will hold it online. So children, this is again a very important day in your life. Each of these awards you will keep with you, you will treasure them, and after so many years down, you would definitely look at them and remember your school days. It's a great honor to receive an academic achievers award. I'm sure you all have done wonderfully well. You all have high targets for yourself. You work hard, and now today the efforts have been recognized. I would also like to compliment the parents because, like we always say, the school and the parents are joint partners in the education of the children. And dear parents, without your support, this will not be possible. I'm sure most of you have taken a keen interest in the education of your wards, and the result is there in front of us. So, in the end, I would like to congratulate all the prize winners, their parents, and all the teachers of the prize distribution committee who have worked relentlessly to organize this event. It is no mean achievement. So, congratulations to the annual prize distribution committee of
Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. And we should never lose hope. All the prize winners are source of motivation for students who are not winning any prize. Thank you, dear parents and students, for making this event so memorable in the history of Army Public School, Nehru Road, Lucknow. A special thanks to our Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am for guidance and support, and our prize distribution team for organizing this event. With this, we end our prize distribution ceremony 2019 and 20. Thank you.